Hey, it's Blanchie from Jayco Newcastle, and we are here at Reflections Tuncurry for another Jayco Newcastle Customer Appreciation Weekend. Come and check out what we get up to. Another awesome time away with some amazing customers at the Jayco Newcastle Customer Appreciation Weekend here in beautiful Tuncurry. Thank you very much to the Reflections team, the Lions Club and the local bakery and butcher. We are so proud to support you guys, but as I said, these are such awesome weekends. We'd love to see you at the next one. Get in touch with Rachel from Jayco Newcastle and get on board with the Customer Appreciation Weekend.